Fans of TLC's reality series 1000 Pound Sisters were left puzzled when no new episode aired during the week of July 1, 2025. This unexpected gap in the season 7 schedule led to widespread speculation and disappointment among viewers. While the network did not provide an official statement explaining the hiatus, several factors likely contributed to the absence of a new episode. According to sources, the cast of 1000 Pound Sisters took an extended filming break to allow the family members some time to cool down and address personal matters. This hiatus was reportedly planned to ensure the well-being of the cast and to maintain the authenticity of the show. Such breaks are not uncommon in reality television, especially when the subjects' personal lives are deeply intertwined with the content being filmed. Television networks often adjust schedules to accommodate various factors, including production timelines, viewer ratings, and special programming events. It's possible that TLC chose to air a rerun or a special episode during this period to fill the programming slot. For instance, on June 24, 2025, TLC aired a Look Back episode that featured clips from past events and behind-the-scenes moments. While some fans appreciated the nostalgic content, others expressed disappointment, feeling that it was not a suitable replacement for a new episode. Delays in production can also lead to gaps in episode airing schedules. These delays might be due to unforeseen circumstances such as health issues, logistical challenges, or the need for additional editing and post-production work. While specific details about production delays for Season 7 have not been publicly disclosed, such factors can contribute to the absence of new episodes. The lack of a new episode did not go unnoticed by the show's dedicated fanbase. Many took to social media platforms to express their frustration and seek answers. Discussions in fan groups and forums reflected a mix of curiosity and disappointment, with viewers eager for updates on the Slayton sisters' journey. Despite the temporary hiatus, fans can look forward to the continuation of Season 7. The next episode is scheduled to air on July 8, 2025, promising to delve deeper into the lives of Tammy and Amy Slayton. As the season progresses, viewers can anticipate more insights into the sisters' weight loss journeys, personal challenges, and family dynamics. In conclusion, while the absence of a new episode during the week of July 1, 2025, was unexpected, it appears to have been a result of planned filming breaks and scheduling adjustments. As the show resumes, fans can continue to support the Slayton sisters and look forward to the upcoming episodes that offer a glimpse into their transformative journeys. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more updates. News.